answer the call from nature.
Good day, everyone. So today we are going to help the boy to do something extraordinary. No one is here, and so let's save him. Let's press the tree. Time to go to be free. Okay, let's pull the balloon to the boy. Time to feel free. The ball is fine. Okay, let's pull the picnic rack to the boy. Okay, he's still calling nature. Now let's pull the basket to the boy. Convenient. It is convenient. Let's pull the cloud to the boy. Up to the clouds and rain. Okay, let's touch the hot air balloon to the boy. Very nice. He's still not free. Okay, let's pull the head on the boy's head. Okay, still we need free to be feel free. Okay, let's pull the bush. Let's pull the bush. No one is seeing him right now. Let's pull the bucket of water to the to water the flower bed. Flower is so grown up. This is very useful. Let's press the bucket. And is he free? Now he feels free.